Hello everyone, my name is Wonhao Zhang. Today I'm going to teach how to add a new discount rule for your e-shop. So first, we need to click on the left side. Under category, it shows discount, so we need to click on the discounts. And on the right side of the discount, we need to create add new shop rule. In here, we need to fill out the information about the discount. So in the name, we put promotion for iPad. Discussion, we can put $100 off after you spend $800. In the code, we just need to click generate it, which will be automatic. Put the code on it. In the highlight, we can click yes. Particular use, maybe yes is fine. Statue, yes. And we go to next step. For the value date, we can put from when to when. In here it shows from November 5 to December 5, which is only 1 month, so that's okay. And the minimum amount, which we need to put 800, since we have 100 off after you spend like $800. So the total available for the discount, we can put it 200. Total available for each user, we can put only one user for use the promotion. Carry success. In the last, we need to create the shipping. The shipping is not free shipping, and the amount we can put it 100. Since our offer is 100 off by spending $800. After that, we click on save. It shows the promotion is already successful created, but we also need to make sure if it is successful create, so we need to click on the left hand side discount. In here, so thank you.